Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about daily routine.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you today?
I am very good today. How are you, Daniel?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Emma, what time do you wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, I like mornings very much.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. My phone alarm wakes me up.
I also use my phone alarm every day.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is a good time, too.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I wash my face.
Me too. Then what do you do?
Then I brush my teeth.
Very good.
After that, I drink a glass of water.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh.
I usually make coffee in the morning.
Oh, really? I like coffee too.
What kind of coffee do you like?
I like hot coffee with milk.
That sounds delicious.
To me too. What about you?
I like black coffee.
Wow, very strong coffee.
Yes, it wakes me up quickly.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds simple and good.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruit and oatmeal.
Very healthy.
Thank you.
Do you cook breakfast yourself?
Yes, I do. It is easy.
I sometimes cook, but sometimes I buy breakfast.
Where do you buy it?
At a small cafe near my house.
That sounds nice.
Yes, the food is very good there.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I take a shower and get dressed.
Me too.
What clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear comfortable clothes.
Like what?
A t-shirt and jeans.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes, I like simple clothes.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
How long is the bus ride?
About 30 minutes.
That is not too long.
Yes, I usually listen to music on the bus.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you? How do you go to work?
I drive my car.
Do you like driving?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why not?
Because traffic can be very bad.
Oh yes, traffic is stressful.
That is true.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock.
I start at 8:30.
What do you usually do at work?
I answer emails and talk to customers.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy it.
That's important.
What do you do at work?
I work on my computer most of the day.
Do you like computer work?
Yes, I do.
That is great.
Everyone, this is a good time to practice English.
Yes, let's learn some simple vocabulary.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example sentence. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Brush my teeth means to clean my teeth.
Example sentence. I brush my teeth every morning.
Shower means to wash your body with water.
Example sentence. I take a shower before work.
These are very common daily routine phrases.
Many people use them every day.
Emma, do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and chicken.
That sounds tasty.
Thank you. What about you?
I sometimes eat sandwiches.
Simple and easy.
Exactly.
Do you eat with coworkers?
Yes, sometimes.
That is nice.
We talk and laugh together.
Good coworkers make work better.
I agree.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30 in the evening.
I finish at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I like quiet evenings.
I usually go to the gym after work.
Wow, good job.
Thank you. Exercise is important.
Yes, it helps the body stay healthy.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Walking is very good exercise.
Yes, and it is relaxing too.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, most days.
What do you usually cook?
Pasta, soup, or vegetables.
Sounds delicious.
Thank you. What about you?
I sometimes order food online.
What food do you order?
Pizza or burgers.
That sounds fun.
Yes, especially on weekends. If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And please write your daily routine in the comments.
Emma, what time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That is a good bedtime.
Yes, sleep is very important.
I sometimes sleep too late.
Really? Why?
Because I watch videos at night.
That happens to many people.
Yes, it does.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 6 hours.
You need more sleep.
I know, I'm trying to sleep earlier.
That is good.
Let's learn more English together.
Great idea.
Usually it means something happens many times.
Example, I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Always means every time.
Example, I always brush my teeth before bed.
Sometimes means not every time.
Example, I sometimes eat pizza.
Never means 0 times.
Example, I never skip breakfast.
These words are called frequency words.
They are very useful in daily conversations.
Emma, do you like your daily routine?
Yes, I do. It makes me feel organized.
That's nice.
What about you?
I like my routine too, but sometimes I want more free time.
I understand. Life can be busy.
That is true.
What do you do on weekends?
I sleep longer and relax more.
That sounds wonderful. What about you?
I visit friends or spend time with family.
Family time is important.
Yes, very important. Let's practice pronunciation.
Good idea.
Listen carefully. Routine.
Routine.
Very good.
Another word is comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yes, many learners say this word slowly at first.
Practice helps pronunciation.
Exactly.
What about you, listeners? What time do you wake up every day?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Emma, do you think routines are important?
Yes, I do. Routines help people stay organized and healthy.
I agree with you.
A good routine can reduce stress.
That is very true.
Also, routines help people manage time better.
Good time management is important for work and study.
Exactly.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned new English words and sentences today.
Keep practicing English every day.
Small practice every day can make a big difference.
Thank you again for joining us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.